15. Sleep game changers for people who can't sleep right. Be honest, does your sleep routine look like a medieval torture scene? Are you flipping, flopping, sweating, shivering, and staring at your ceiling like it owes you answers? You're not alone. According to updated 2025 surveys, over 62% of adults report poor sleep at least 3 nights a week. That's practically a full-time insomnia job with no benefits. But don't worry, we've rated the labs, test groups, bedrooms not like that, and online reviews to bring you the top 15 sleep products of 2025 that actually work. These aren't gimmicks. They're backed by awards, science, and the collective exhaustion of humankind. How you can start using it right now. We'll count down from 15 to 1, and by the time we get to 1, buckle up or down because better sleep is about to body slam your insomnia. 15. Oura Ring Gen 4. The Oura Ring Gen 4 is the closest thing to having a sleep-obsessed coach wrapped around your finger, minus the judgment and unsolicited TED Talks. It's small, sleek, titanium-plated, and somehow makes you feel like a Marvel character with anxiety issues. But instead of fighting crime, it helps you battle cortisol and your 2 a.m. doom-scrolling habit. The 2025 upgrade brought faster sensors, sharper REM tracking, and insights so precise they'll make your smartwatch feel insecure. It doesn't just tell you how long you slept, it tells you whether that sleep actually helped. Heart rate variability, temperature shifts, and blood oxygen, all accounted for. The app breaks everything into color-coded scores like sleep, readiness, and activity, turning your bedtime into a satisfying science game. Whether you're chasing a marathon PR or just trying to survive Monday, the Oura Ring is your stylish, data-driven sidekick and possibly your most functional relationship of the year. 8. Sleep Pod. Fear. If your mattress has the emotional range of a cardboard box and the thermal grace of lava rock, then congratulations, you've been sleeping wrong. The 8 Sleep Pod 4 is an AI-powered mattress cover that doesn't just lie there, it transforms your bed into a climate-controlled sleep cocoon. This techie marvel features separate cooling and heating zones for each side of the bed, so your freezing can finally coexist with your partner's sweating without sparking a pillow war. Its water-based thermal regulation and smart temperature tracking make your sleep environment feel fully customized. It also monitors heart rate, respiratory rate, and sleep stages like a health coach that never asks you to do squats. GQ's 2025 Sleep Awards named it a standout for good reason. After one night, you won't see it as a mattress cover, you'll see it as the best relationship you've ever had with furniture. 13. ChiliPad Dock Pro. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night drenched in sweat, convinced you've just escaped a sauna. Now imagine never doing that again. Welcome to the ChiliPad Dock Pro era, where your bed becomes an all-season climate-controlled escape pod. This system features a slim pad with internal tubing that circulates temperature-controlled water across your mattress. You can set it from 55 degrees 4F to 115 degrees 4F. That's Arctic Explorer to warm tortilla, all controlled from an app that turns you into a thermostat wizard. The 2025 model comes with a quieter fan, a sleeker design, and quicker response times. Reviewers call it the best friend of sweaty sleepers. While others wake up stuck to their sheets in a heat wave, you're cool, crisp, and sleeping like a smug cucumber. Simba Hybrid Pro Mattress. Forget one size fits all. The Simba Hybrid Pro is the mattress equivalent of a tailored suit. Smart, breathable, and way too attractive for something you drool on. Hailing from the UK with global fanfare, this mattress combines 7 engineered layers, including a bamboo wool top for natural cooling and dual titanium aerocoil, springs for bounce and support. You know that Princess and the Pea scenario where a single wrinkle ruins your Princess and the Pea scenario, where a single wrinkle ruins your Princess and the Pea scenario. Night? The Simba laughs in the face of discomfort. Whether you flop like a fish, sprawl like a starfish, or curl like a croissant, it adapts to your shape, regulates temperature, and cradles pressure points with surgical precision. In 2025, it was labeled The Thinking Person's Mattress by mattress nerds and insomniacs alike. One user said, "It's the only thing in my life that supports me and doesn't complain." You'll be tempted to cancel plans just to stay in bed, and honestly, that's called self-care. 11. Olive Crate Eucalyptus Tensile Sheets. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of bedtime. Sheets. You could have the world's best mattress, but if your sheets feel like a burlap sack dipped in regret, you're not sleeping well. Olive Crate's Eucalyptus Tensile Sheets are here to change that and possibly ruin all other fabrics for you forever. Made from sustainably sourced eucalyptus fibers, they're silky smooth, moisture-wicking, and naturally cooling. No more sweaty ankles or sticking to the fitted sheet like a leftover pancake. Just soft, breezy bliss. These sheets snagged top honors in the 2025 Real Simple Sleep Awards for their outrageous comfort and eco-friendliness. Plus, they're hypoallergenic, antibacterial, and literally saving the planet while you sleep. Not bad for something that's basically a luxury burrito wrap for humans. 10. Loop Dream Earplugs. If your sleep sounds like you're camping next to a chainsaw convention or worse, your partner Loop Dream earplugs are your sonic saviors. These aren't the itchy orange plugs from your last plane ride. Nope, these are sleek, stylish, and engineered for comfort and effectiveness. They block just enough noise to silence snoring, barking, and midnight motorcycle chases, while still letting in alarms or baby cries. So, sorry, no skipping diaper duty. In 2025, they were celebrated as the go-to for light sleepers who don't want to stuff foam in their ear canal and pray for the best. And yes, they come in colors because if you're going to mute the world, you may as well do it fashionably. 9. Soundcore Sleep A20 Earbuds. For those who can't sleep without sound, but also can't wake up with earbud-shaped bruises, Soundcore's A20 Sleep Earbuds are a revelation. Designed specifically for side sleepers and people tired of being betrayed by bulky Bluetooth buds. These babies are flat, soft, and smarter than your average tech toy. They come loaded with white noise, guided meditations, and soothing soundscapes, and they even track your sleep. Reviewers in 2025 said they felt like slipping marshmallows into your ears, only these marshmallows play ocean sounds and monitor your REM cycle. Comfort meets tech meets. Why didn't anyone invent this sooner? 8. Hatch Restore 2. The Hatch Restore 2 is what happens when an alarm clock and a spa retreat have a love child. Instead of blaring a sonic weapon at 6:00 a.m., it gently simulates sunrise and plays soft chimes, bird song, or ambient music to bring you into consciousness like a woodland elf. You can also use it to wind down at night with calming light, meditations, and white noise options. It's the only device you'll find that helps you sleep and makes you look forward to waking up. Voted one of the best sleep products of 2025 by Real Simple. It's basically therapy in a lamp. 7. Somnox Sleep Robot. What if a robot could help you sleep better and not try to sell you crypto? Enter the Somnox Sleep Robot, a cuddly bean-shaped device that breathes, yes, breathes, in a calming rhythm. You hug it, sync your breathing, and before you know it, your heart rate drops, your thoughts slow down, and you're out like a light. No snoring, no talking back, no emotional drama, just pure, comforting robotic companionship. This adorable sleep aid has clinical research behind it, glowing user reviews, and a Wikipedia page. Because apparently, hugging a giant gray kidney bean is all we needed this whole time. 6. Garden of Life. Sleep well. Not a fan of pills that knock you out like a tranquilizer dart? Garden of Life Sleep. Well, Blend is the soothing herbal hug your nervous system has been begging for. This supplement combines magnesium, L-theanine, chamomile, lemon balm, and ashwagandha to gently lull you to sleep without the hangover. It's USDA certified organic, vegan, and was one of Sleepopolis's top picks for natural sleep support in 2025. Think of it like warm tea in capsule form, except it won't make you pee at 3 a.m. What sets it apart is its gentle, buildable effect. It doesn't KO you on night 1, but by night 3, you're basically auditioning for Sleeping Beauty. It's perfect for those who want consistent, deep sleep with none of the chemical drama or next-day grogginess. 5. Transparent Labs Sleep Recover. Transparent Labs didn't just make a supplement. They crafted a post-workout lullaby. Packed with recovery-enhancing magnesium bisglycinate, tart cherry extract, and the anti-anxiety MVP L-theanine, this product isn't just about getting you to sleep, it's about making that sleep count. If your gym time is elite but your ZZZs are a D, this is your fix. Fitness freaks and night owls unite. Sleepopolis dubbed it 2025's best for anxiety and recovery. And no, you don't need to be a gym bro to appreciate waking up less sore and more sane. It's also a game changer if you struggle with stress-related sleep problems, especially after late-night workouts or work emails that end with circle back tomorrow. Take it 30-60 minutes before bed. Then watch your muscles and mood go from wired to wonderful. 4. Ritual Stress Relief. Yaon. Elite Sleep. These supplements are like mood lighting for your bloodstream. Ritual Stress Relief Blend delivers saffron, ashwagandha, and L-theanine in a time-released dose that says, "Relax, darling." Pair it with momentous elite sleep on stressful nights, and you've got the classy, clean label cocktail for natural shut-eye. Unlike those knock-you-out cold pills that turn your dreams into horror movies, this combo promotes real relaxation without the groggy aftermath. 2025 testers at Inner Body Research called them a perfect pair for people who want to ease into sleep like a rich person sliding into a silk robe. Bonus, Ritual's chic branding makes supplementing feel a little like skincare for your soul. You're not taking pills. You're curating your nervous system's night routine. It's self-care meets sleep science, and your brain will thank you. 3. Nutravita Night Complex Paused Gummies. If your bedtime routine involves chewing your worries instead of swallowing them, these sleep gummies are for you. Nutravita's Night Complex and Paused Sleep Gummies were top picks in BBC Good Food's 2025 to sleeping supplements, praised for their taste, gentle melatonin dosage, and magnesium lemon balm blends. No weird aftertaste, no sketchy ingredients, just delicious calm in gummy bear form. If you're the kind of adult who thinks Flintstones vitamins were the highlight of your childhood, these are basically nostalgic bedtime magic. 2. Temper Cloud Pillow. Let's talk pillows. The Temper Cloud is like the quiet hero of the sleep world. It doesn't look flashy, it doesn't need a charging cable. But oh boy, does it deliver. With NASA-engineered memory foam, seriously, it cradles your head just right. No neck kinks, no pillow punch fights in the middle of the night. Its low-loft design is ideal for back and stomach sleepers. And the new 2025 version includes a cooling layer, so you're not sweating through your dreams. Tom's Guide reviewers called it the softest form of chiropractic revenge. We agree. What's really magical is the way it rebounds supportive yet cloud-like. It's the pillow equivalent of a firm handshake and a warm hug. If you've ever woken up thinking, "Did I sleep on a baguette?" This is your redemption. Satu. Simba Hybrid Pillow. Can't decide if you like a thick, fluffy pillow or a flat, supportive one? Why not both? The Simba Hybrid Pillow lets you customize your comfort with removable nanocube, inserts tiny foam cubes you can add or remove to adjust height and firmness. It's like building your own dream pillow at a sleep bar. It also has a breathable, cool touch cover and antimicrobial finish. Woman, Home, and multiple UK sleep experts rated it a 2025 favorite. It's the one pillow you won't fight with or want to throw out the window. The real brilliance lies in its modular design. Adjusted to your sleep mood flat on Monday, lofty on Friday, revenge nap mode on Sunday. It's the last pillow you ever need, unless you buy a second one just to flex on your guests. Let's be real, sleeplessness sucks the soul out of your day. But with the 15, 18 if you count bonuses products above, sleep becomes less of a problem and more of a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're hugging a robot, cooling your bed, or chewing melatonin like candy, one of these will finally help you stop counting sheep and start counting wins. And there you have it. 15 sleep-saving superheroes ready to turn your nights from "why am I like this" to "why didn't I do this sooner?" If you found even one product that made you say, "Yep, I need that in my life," go ahead and give this video a big sleepy thumbs up. Subscribe for more life upgrades, bedtime breakthroughs, and zero snore solutions.